I'm about to do some wet sanding, so see you in a few.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we have completed the wet sanding stage. So this is what the headlamp would look like after the sanding stage. So just giving a run through of what it looks like after the wet sanding, and then I am going to start the buffing stage. So alright guys, so I'm gonna start the buffing stage, so see you in a few. Alright guys, so I have completed the wet sanding stage and the buffing stage. So what you're seeing in front of you right now is the curing stage, and that is where we apply a sealant to the lens so that it can give the restoration a little more longevity and protection from those UV rays. If you happen to get your headlamps restored, be sure that the curing stage was applied. Most of us use a clear, which would replace the clear layer that was put on it from the factory, and there's most of us who just use a sealant from one of those high-grade companies. So whichever way, please ensure to make sure that you get the lens cured. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to allow the sealant to cure for a period of 30 minutes, and after that we'll buff it away with a clean microfiber towel. And I'm gonna put the link in the description for the sealant. It's the Chemical Guys Jet Seal, and it's perfect for even the body if you happen to do a paint correction on your car's exterior. Alright guys, so here we are. This is the finished product. As you can see, what you saw earlier to what you've seen now. So we have removed the sealant, and as you can see, we're left with about a 75% factory look. So you always know the motto, SK the best way. So remember guys, subscribe, share, like. We're out. Alright guys, so that was it for the headlamp restoration on the BMW X3. So you don't know the thing go. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share the video, you know what I mean.